Hey everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you how to add a discount code to Invideo. Let's get started. First, grab the discount code from the video description below. My exclusive coupon code is CFINVIDEOFIFTY, so make sure to copy it before moving to the next step. Next, head over to Invideo's pricing page. Whether it's the Plus plan, Max plan, or Generative plan, pick the one that works for you. And then, click on Have a Coupon or Apply Discount Code. Paste the code you copied earlier into this box and click Apply. If the code is valid, you'll see the discount applied and you have 50 AI minutes extra. Complete the payment process and you're all set. And that's it. You've successfully used a discount code to save money on your Invideo purchase. Don't forget, the discount code available in the video description below. Copy it and start saving today. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.